Hey, place is looking good. Hey, Deliandro, how are you?
Hey, Tom. Yeah.
Got the plaster on, you got the ceilings painted.
Yeah.
And now we're ready to patch the floors.
Exactly.
All right, I see you've already done something over here. You started the weave process right here.
Yes.
And we're going to patch it with the oak, I see.
Yep, red oak. So I got a sample here, 2 1/4.
Yep.
3/4 of an inch thick, tongue and groove. So
right. This
should
is
match pretty good.
Very popular floor, and it's going to look good.
Should be able to fit on those gaps over there.
Yeah, we'll fill all the gaps. Well, what the process here is that we need to extend this floor because this wall came across and over. You can see it on the floor. And this straight line here, and the floor is cut because it went against the baseboard here. Then it turned, and in here, and these are where kitchen cabinets were, and the stove and the chimney. Took that down and opened this whole space up.
Yes, that's what we did.
All right, now if we look at the existing floor here as I came into the front hall, this is actually heart pine. It's beautiful flooring, expensive.
Yeah.
And there's actually some underneath this floor, but I would imagine it's pretty beat up from all the nails, and I can see a lot of holes over there.
Exactly.
So the process that we're going to do today is we're going to patch a hole right here to remove that register, because that's not needed anymore, right?
Yeah, no, we don't need that. We have a couple of those that we got to patch it in.
Okay, so you ready to get started?
Yeah, let's get going.
Okay. All right, why don't you get that register out? I'll pull some of these nails.
All right.
And cut some of this back. All right. Oh, just some loose pieces, huh?
Yeah, they were just like loose, no nails.
No nails. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut that. That goes under the wall.
So you want me to start removing these parts, Tommy?
Yeah, do you want to cut a piece to go in here? And we can cut another piece once I get this cleaned out to go over here. How's that?
That sounds good, yeah.
Subfloor in. This will bring us up to the level of the old floor right here.
Yeah, exactly. So let's see, I hope that fit in properly. There you go.
Now the idea of it is we want to screw this down in place to the joist, so we're going to make sure it's nice and tight. We also want to screw this section of the flooring here to the old subfloor because that could squeak. All right, so our progress is going well. Right here was the register in the floor that we took out. And this is a moisture barrier so that any moisture in the basement comes up won't penetrate the underside of the flooring. We also cut back our floor so we can weave the new floor into it. All right, so now we're ready to put this next piece in. So we got to push it in. You watch, this board is going to move a little bit. He's going to tap it in with a hammer. So we've cut out the old sections of the floor on an irregular basis, and the new wood could be staggered and blended better with the old wood. Perfect. All right. So that came right down. I used the rubber end of the hammer, hit it on the edge of the board, and that'll push it right into place. And I'll just use the gun, put a couple staples in the new floor and in the old part. And now what we have to do is we have to make sure that's tight there, and we'll have to use a finish gun to nail that because we can't get in there.
2-inch finish nail.
Yep. That section right here against the wall will be hidden by the baseboard too.
Yeah, that gets covered up.
Yep. Okay, so now we get another piece here, and we can run our stagger again.
Yeah.
All right, Deliandro, I think it's coming along good.
Yeah.
Well, once we get the weave done, then the rest of it, like kitchen and down the hallway, should definitely go fast.
Exactly. Yeah. So me and my guys will take care of that. You know, once we pass this, we'll go really fast.
Yeah, you sure will. All right, great job.
All right. Thank you. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.